So good afternoon students. So yesterday we discussed about significant figures and rounding off. So rules for determine the rules of significant figures. So what is called significant figure? When a measured value having reasonable and trust and worthy numbers are there, these three numbers are called as significant digits or significant figures. Okay, so already discussed the rules of significant figures. Today we are going to explain rules for rounding of numbers, rules for rounding of significant numbers. Okay, first rule is the preceding digit is raised by 1 if the immediate insignificant digit to be dropped more than 5. So the preceding digit is raised by 1. So for example, here 4728 is there. 4728 is a digit. How many significant numbers are there? Actually 1, 2, 3, 4. According to rule, all non-zero digits are significant figures. So 4. So it is rounded by 3 digits. So rounded by 3 digits means 4, 7, 2. So removing 8. So before 8 is 2. So the 8 is more than 5. The dropped number is more than 5. We can add 1 before number. So 8 is more than 5. That's why we add 1 number before number, that is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So okay, 4, 7, 3. So 0. Why we are write 0? The 0 is not a significant figure. Just we add the 0 by the 0 value for 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the thousands are there. That's why we wrote a 0 here. So without 0, it is in hundreds. That's why we wrote a 0. So how many significant figures are there? 3. So the rounding of significant figures, the first rule, if so the immediate dropped significant figure number is more than 5, we can add 1 before number. So here the 8 is more than 5, that's why we add 1 number, that is 2 plus 1, 3. So next one, if the preceding digit left unchanged, less than is unchanged, the immediate insignificant digit to drop less than 5. If the dropped number is less than 5, we cannot change the before number. Okay, so for example, if we take 4723 is the how many digits are there? Actually 4 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, 4. So rounded up to 3. So remove 3. So 4, 7, 2. So the removing number is less than 5. That's why we cannot change the before number. So the removed number is greater than 5, we can add 1 before number. The removed number is less than 5, we cannot change the before number. As usual, you can write as usually 4, 7, 2. So the significant digits are 3. So we are adding 0. That's why in thousands, that's why 4, 7, 2, 0. So the significant number is 3. Okay. So if the dropped number is more than 5, we can add 1 before number. The dropped number is less than 5, we cannot add the number. So write as usually, cannot unchange. Okay. So if the dropped number is equal to 5, what happened? If the dropped number is equal to 5, so you can check the before number. The before number is even number, so you cannot change. The before number is odd number, you can add 1 and it convert into even number. Okay. So if the dropped number is rounding number is 5, what happened? So once you check the before number is even number, you cannot change. If the before number is odd number, you can add 1, it converted into even number. For example, if you take 4.7253, so how many significant digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Actually 5 significant digits are there. Rounding to 3. So 4.721, 3 digits. That's why you're removing 5. So you're removing 5 means you can, once you observe the before number is 2. 2 means even number. Even number means you cannot change. You can write 4.72 directly. Right? So how many numbers are there? Significant figures 3. So 5 is converted into 3. So in the example 4.7153 is there. 4.7153. So this number rounding up to 3. What happened? So this is the 5. So when you removing 5, you can observe the before number. Before number is 1. Is odd number. You can add 1. So you converted even number 4.72. 4.72. So this is a rounding of rules for rounding of significant figures. Simply, students, you can drop number is more than 5. You can add 1 before number. If the drop number is less than 5, you cannot change the before number. You can write as is value. If the drop number is 5, exactly 5, you can observe the before number. If the before number is even number, you cannot change. If the before number is the odd number, you can add 1. Okay? So these are the rules of rounding of significant figures. And next one is rules for arithmetic operation with significant figures. Significant figures. So in multiplication and division, in the case of multiplication and division, just you observe how many number of least significant figures. The final value also having same number of significant figures. So when you are doing a multiplication and division, just you observe the number of significant figures, least number of significant figures. The final results also having the least number of significant figures. For example, if you take 1.2, here 1.2 into 2.5 into and 2.54 into 3.26. You are multiplying 3 terms. What is the value? Approximately 9.93648. So this is the value, resultant value. So what happened? How many significant figures in this term 2? In this term 3? In this term 3? The least significant figures 2. Right? So in the resultant also having 2 significant figures. So the resultant 9.93648. So these are value rounding up to 2 digits. So remove 8, 4, 6, 3. So now the 3 is removing. So 3 is less than 5. When the less than 5, we cannot add. Okay? So directly rewrite 9.9 is the right value. So 9.9, how many digits? 2 digits. So before doing the arithmetic operation, multiplication and division, you can observe how many number of significant figures. So the least significant figures is least significant figures are 2 here. So in the final results also having least significant figures. So this is a rule for arithmetic operation for doing multiplication and division. The same manner, in the case of addition and subtraction, you can observe the decimal points. Okay, 2.2 and 4.08, 3.12 and 6.38 is there. In 2.2, how many decimal points? 1. After decimal point, only 1 significant figure. After decimal point, in this 2 significant figures. After decimal points, in also 2. In this 3, 2. So least decimal point is 1. So what is the value? 15.78 is the final value. So in the final value also only 1 significant figure. So the value, it is rounding of how many figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is rounding of 3 digits. So removing 8. So when 8 is more than 5. So that's why we add 1 before number. So 15.8 is the final result. So 15.8 means after decimal point only 1 significant figure is there. So in this operation, so 2.2 means the least decimal point is 1. The The final results also least decimal point is 1. So when we are doing addition and subtraction, you can observe the least decimal points. So the final results also having the least number of decimal points. Thank you.